Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome to 365 Web X Joe here. And today I want to quickly show you how to add a user or users to manage your business in Google My Business. Okay. So without so much of talking, let's jump straight into the video. So a quick one before I proceed. Why would you want to do this anyways? Well, there are quite a number of reasons you want to do this, but the most in most cases, maybe you have a business as a business owner, but you don't have the time to manage the business on Google My Business, and so you want to get somebody to do all the nitty-gritties here and there for you. So you want to add these users to as managers or whatever role you want to give to them. You want to add them up so they can go to work. And so that is one of the reasons why you want to do this. And then another thing is, if you and an agency and you have a business that you have helped a client to set up, just as we do here at Core Brands. Of course, our business is Core Brands Expert Solutions, but we run a YouTube channel called 365 Web X, and now to teach people how to do stuff. And so if you are an agency and you have a business that you have helped a client to list, you want to add them up as a manager to, manage their business. And so whichever case you want to add users to your business is fine. Okay. And this video is just what you're going to learn, and let's jump straight into the video. And so here I have this business that I've listed here. As you can see, it's been verified, but I don't have the time to, post for this client and do all other stuff that they would want to do. So what I'm going to do right here is to click on this business once you are in your dashboard, and then it opens up here. As you can see, we opened this business on the 28th. The past 28 days. No, it's not up to. It's about a week now that we have listed this business. And so we want to give the owners of this business, we want to add them as users to be able to manage this business. So what you want to do is, remember, let me go back to the dashboard and show you how to get started. So first of all, we've logged into our dashboard, and then here is the business we want to give we want to add the users to, and we are going to click that to open it. And then you want to scroll down to where it says users, as you can see right here. Okay, so here you want to see it right here. Here you can see users, and then you click on this one. Then it's open. This window pops up, and then it's asking you to add users. And then there's something here called add location group. That is not what we want to do. We're already putting up video for this already. So we want to go ahead and click on add users, and now we want to type in the email of our client, and the email is this person here. You go ahead and type in their email address, okay, and then here you see where it says choose a role. You can click down here, this drop icon here, click it to open. Now, is this person the owner or the manager? Where they are the owners, okay, so we are going to go ahead and invite them, okay. But in most cases, what you want to do is click on manager. All right, this is what we want to give to them, okay. And you go ahead and invite, and now an invite have been sent to them to manage this business, and we're going to click done, and that is it, guys. You are done. We are done. So it's as simple as that. So immediately they receive the invite, they are going to accept it, and then from there they can do be able to manage this business, like creating post. These users are able to create a post from their end and do other stuff that the privileges for the role of a manager allows them to. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching and staying with us, and see you next time in another video. Please do us a favor by hitting the subscribe button, and of course give the video a thumbs up. If there are any questions, drop them below, and we will be happy to answer them. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.